Okay, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I cut my nails down super short. So this is probably the shortest my nails have ever been. Do you guys have that problem when you do a lot of cleaning or just regular, like emptying the dishwasher, doing dishes? Like my nails just break. Like they get pretty long and they grow really fast, but I had to just cut them down. I was like, I hate short nails, but it had to be done. So yeah, this is the shortest my nails have probably been in a long time. All right, so this is going to be my weekly melting picks or melting basket or whatever you want to call it. So what happens is when I pull my melting basket from like previous weeks, when I start like rummaging through it and I can't really find anything that I'm like, ooh, I really want to warm this, I try my hardest. I try my hardest to just like be like, okay, let's just warm this. Because a lot of times what'll happen is I'll pull something out that I don't really feel like warming, and then I'll warm it and I'll be like, oh, this is actually really good. So, you know, I kind of push myself to be like, okay, you know, I don't really want to warm this, but let's just go ahead and warm it anyways. I have to be kind of in the mood for things, but this melting basket in particular, I pulled a lot of things out of my stash that just had 1 or 2 cubes or that I was close to finishing. I have a lot of Sassy Girl Aroma bags that only have 1 square or 1 chunk, whatever you want to say. So let's go ahead and let's get into this. So the first thing I have is a Game of Tarts House of Stark. This is fresh brewed coffee and maple sugar. I have 3 cubes of that left. I have 2 cubes of Senna, and Senna is Avita Champure, Fruit Loops, and fresh picked strawberries. I have some Fake and Bake, which I cannot read the bottom of that, but I'll just leave it there. It's like zucchini bread, signature sugar cookie, and something sweet cream fragrance. I don't know. 3 cubes. This one, the last time I warmed this one, I love the smell of this one, but this one went so buttery on me towards the end. Like it lost like its, what's the word? It lost its like breadiness and then just went to like straight like butter smelling. I don't know if you like the smell of butter. So I have 1 cube of Bathing Garden Salty Siren. This is one of my favorite blends. This to me though is just lime margarita. Like you could really get this from any vendor. I feel like it's just, yeah, I just feel like it's that lime margarita oil that a lot of vendors use. It does, you know, it does smell a little bit better than some of the other ones I've smelled. I don't know. I need to put them side by side and compare. It does smell really good. I need to look up the scent description for this one. This is Pagan Moon from the Bathing Garden. I think I have this on my Instagram actually. So I probably do have a scent description on this. What is that? I have no idea. Okay, so anyways, that's 2 cubes. My goal was to kind of clean out because I need some more space and I'm not buying any more containers. This one seems totally random to warm right now, but Christmas Vacation, I figured what the hey, I only have 3 cubes of that left. What is that? Spearmint and, oh, Christmas Tree. You know what? That's going to be really weird. I don't know. We're just going to go for it because I feel like that clamshell, even though it's old, I don't know. We'll see. I might just save it. I don't know. Luke is buttermilk pancakes, donuts, and maple glazed bacon. This one to me sounded really good for like the morning time. This is a full clam, but I've been hanging on to it for a while. This one is really like, this is one of those ones that you can't really tell what it's going to smell like because all I smell is kind of like that glazed part, and that's it. I know there's more in there, and I know when I warm it, it'll come out. I have 4 cubes of Berry Good Cookie, which is our house berry scent and sweet sugar cookie. So we're going to do that one. I have 1 cube of Buffy. I refused to warm this until I got more Buffy, but I was like, okay, stop it. It's rosemary, mint, and lemonade. I can live without this one. I'm really waiting for her to restock it, but it's going to have to wait a little bit because I don't know when her next time is she's going to offer it. It's fine. I have lemonade and rosemary mint in my stash somewhere, so if I get desperate. Love and Madness from the Bathing Garden. I have 2 cubes. This is a beautiful fruity floral that blends juicy berries and lush white flowers. This one would probably be a good bathroom melt or my daughter's bedroom. I talked about this one in my last warm reviews. I have 1 cube of chilled raspberry lemonade. The Cloud Maze from Bathing Garden. How cute is that picture? I never noticed it before. It's really cool. This is Candied Marshmallow Clouds, Lavender Cotton Candy, Sweet Dreamy Lullabies. I don't know if that's how the scent description goes, like if that's the correct order. This one has white clouds in it. I didn't smell that before, but I've been warming a lot of white clouds recently. A lot of people are using lavender and white clouds together. Not the biggest fan of white clouds. I don't know why. I just don't like automatically smell it and go, ooh, I love this. I have just a small piece of Rose Girls Apple Pumpkin Crunch Donuts. And then just a little bit of this Apple Cinnamon Ice Cream Man from VCS. This is really old, and even though I've been pulling out of my fall basket because I don't know if you guys remember, but like 2-3 years ago, I pulled this huge fall basket, or actually it's a bin now. It's in a bin, and I've been trying to pull things out of there and just stop that because I was like, I pulled way too much and I didn't even warm half of that. So I'm like going through it now and trying to do this. But anyways, this is one of my favorite scents from her. Pumpkin Pecan Zucchini. Even though that's like a fall blend, I don't care. Really want to warm this from Simo Flannel Type. In fact, I might put this in the bedroom today because this one, it smells like the Bath & Body Works type. So I'm super excited to try that in the bedroom. Or flannel, as my friend Leanne would say. I wanted to warm some more Simo because I do plan on ordering from her next restock. So I was like, let me get some of her stuff. She did pour something that I was asking for, so I want to put in an order. Obviously, I always feel like if you request something, you should probably buy it. So Zucchini Supreme. I think her zucchini smelled really good. So I was like, that would be perfect for the kitchen area. I think, did I pull this one before? Rose Girls Pink Lavender Peeps Cake. This is from my friend Candy. Huge amount of that. Simo Star Spangled Strawberry Pie. I haven't warmed any of her pies yet. I really like her strawberry oil, so I think I'm going to enjoy that. I have a Sun and Sea from Savannah Blue. Oh, this was in my last basket. Zephyr by the Sea. Wait, which ones of these? Oh, okay. You know what? I kept some of this stuff in here and then I pulled some more out. Okay, let's do this. Let's keep going with these. I think this is new. I pulled this Woofwix Lavender Soda. I have a second basket in the office area that was from my last melting basket, and then I grabbed another basket and then started a new one because I kept like rummaging through the other one, so I need a little bit more variety. Lavender Soda from Woofwix. I have a full clam of that. Really need to dive into that one. So I don't love Rosalie, so this is Twisted Peppermint and Coconut Cream Pie. Probably gonna mix this with something just because this one is just so strong. It's I just don't know what I don't like about it. There's just something in here. It's just the mix of Twisted Peppermint and Coconut Cream Pie, plus the clamshell is just looking really ratchet. So we need to move that one along. I pulled Blackberry Brown Sugar Tea from the Bathing Garden. I've had this one since last year. I really want to get this one on a warmer because the concept of brown sugar tea sounds so good to me. I don't love blueberry, but I don't know. We're gonna see how this goes. Okay, so next up we have the Bathing Garden Sugared Vanilla Waffle Cone. And this one I was kind of using as a mixer, but I think I'm going to try it on its own. It's got 4 cubes in there. Pineapple Pixie. I have another clam of this, and I have 4 cubes in here, so This is kind of like my way to just kind of make some room. Alice's Memory Garden, which has 4 cubes. This is bubbling rose, sugar, jasmine, cream, lavender. Huge flower in there, pink flower, super pretty. Probably gonna have to do a time lapse with that. This Insidious clam is looking pretty bad. I have more Insidious, so I can warm this now. I have 2 cubes left. This one goes really well in the bedroom. I love warming that one. That one's an all-day deal as well. Like, you can take that one all day long. That didn't sound right. Tweedledee. Yeah, Tweedledee tea. This is from the Bathing Garden. And this is Soothing Simple Green Tea Leaves. So I wanted to try a green tea scent. It's been a while. I don't know, this one's very sweet. I know Super Tarts has a green tea and something, I think it's called Wicked Witch, that I really want to try. So I was like, let me try that first and see how I like that. All right, so let's get into some bags. I have bags that just have 1 cube in them from Sassy Girl Aroma. So I have Montego Bay, and this is a Beach Nights blend. I sent most of the rest of this off to my friend Susan. She said she was interested in trying some of the Beach Night scents, and I was like, let me hook you up because I have way too many and I need to get through. So I have Snickers Coffee in the Kitchen. So there's the scent description. It's got a lot going on in there. Just 1 cube of that one. Latte whipped cream, sweet whipped cream with caramel or coffee and caramel. There's 2 cubes of that. I have 1 cube of Beach Blanket Bingo, which is Beach Night Marshmallow Sugar Cookies. I did want to try this one. I did send the rest off to Susan, but I was like, you know what, let me try this one because it has marshmallow sugar cookies. I love sugar cookie scents, so there's just 1 cube left of that. So I hope to get through a lot of bags. Sassy Girl Aroma Cookie Monster Pretzel. There's only 1 cube in that bad boy. And then I have the Wishing Tree and Count Your Blessings, which I sent most of it off to Angie, but I saved the last, like, 1 little bit for myself. I have words for her, but I can't say them on here. Anyways, so yeah, this is a really good blend. I just have a little bit left, and it's in that huge bag. I don't know why. Okay, I have Jean, which I think I had in a melting basket before, and then I ended up putting away. Sometimes I just put stuff away. I'm like, I'm not going to warm this, but let's try this again. Glazed donuts, juicy pear slices, salted caramel, and pie crust. All right, so trying to see, I think I already, you know what, I already did these in my last melting basket. I don't need to show those again, but I did talk about these in my last warm reviews. Whip It and brown sugar. I'm mixing these 2 together because the sweet coconut milk in this one is just way too sweet. So I'm going to do this and brown sugar. I just have a little bit left. So I have another bag of brown sugar. I'll probably need to pull that out because I really want to like amplify the brown sugar. So I just have just a little bit left of this. This is Fools Who Dream from Empire Alchemy. And I feel like that can go in the bathroom pretty easy. All right, so this one, I have a huge bam bag of Super Tarts New Orleans. What I want to do is I want to take this one and maybe mix it with some fresh strawberries. I feel like it needs, like, it's very much a vanilla bakery, kind of like, it's not plain or boring. I'll probably warm it by itself, again, just to get another smell of it, to see like what I think would go good with it, but I feel like it needs a fruit in there. It's very much like a blender scent kind of to me. I kind of want to look for a bready scent too, to maybe kind of mix with it as well. I might try to see if I have any breads. And then fresh strawberries, which came from Super Tarts when she did her one-offs at, when was it? Was it Easter time? I don't know, this is kind of old. I can't remember when she did this. Does it have a date? Does that say July? Whoa, does that? does that say? July 2019, is that what it says? Yeah, barely. You can barely see that. So, okay, so New Orleans with fresh strawberry. And then also, let's see. I still have this dang bag of saltwater taffy, and it just does not look good. Like, I don't know, the wax got discolored. I don't know how or why, but it's Rose Girl saltwater taffy. I can't back it up anymore because I've got stuff back here. But saltwater taffy I want to do with, I'm going to try strawberry jam or perhaps the fresh strawberry that I have from Super Tarts and blackberry, because I'm almost done with my blackberry and honestly I just need to finish it off. Like, my whole goal, her blackberry is really good actually. My whole goal was to try and get through some Rose Girls bags. I have a ton. All right, so I've already kind of gone through those. Let me just go ahead and talk about this last thing really quick. So I did Let's Go Fly a Kite this week from Super Tarts, which is Copper Tone Strawberry Cotton Candy. The deal with this is it's very heavy on the copper tone. I really didn't get a lot of the other things. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to mix it with cotton candy frosting just a little bit, and then also this fresh strawberry. So I'm gonna try to do that and see if I can make it a little bit more, like less copper tone, because the copper tone in that one is super strong. So the last few things I have, my goal is just to try to get through these little like things. Out of the Shower, which is Shampoo Dove White Clouds from Rainbow Melts. The Winged Mermaid from VCS. I just have a tiny bit left. I don't know if you can see, but it's just a little bit. The sweet little Volkswagen Bug from Empire Alchemy, Another Day of Sun. I have Green and Sassy for the bathroom. My good friend Leanne sent me these 2 pie slices. I think, what are they called? We were talking about it and she said, I'll just send you some, because I was like, I missed them, and she said I was interested to see what they smell like. And I need to look up to see what those are because I can't remember. Sea of Tears from the Bathing Garden. This is just a small little thing. I have a feeling this one is going to get lost because it's such a light scent. But I don't know, maybe it'll be okay. All right, so that is my additions to my melting basket to try to get through for this next week. Obviously, I'm not going to get through all of this, but a lot of these only have like 1 or 2 cubes. So I'm going to try to like do that, work that to my advantage so I can, you know, try to get through some of these scents and make some more room. My big thing this summer and kind of fall and going forward is no more big bags of things, no more loaves, no more big quantities unless I've warmed it before and I know that I like it for sure. And even then, I'm still, you know, like if a vendor offers a bag, like Empire Alchemy, for instance, like I know I like her kitchen sink cookies. If she did a bag, like an 8-ounce bag, I'd probably go for it. Even these, like honestly, even these mini melter bags from Rose Girls, there is a lot in there. Like there's a lot of scent going on in there. So, you know, to get through these bags is a little, you know, it takes you a little bit of time and you don't really think about it when you buy it. You just think, oh, I want the scent, but you don't really think about, oh, it's going to take me a while to get through that. So yeah, that's my new little like mantra. Bigger is not always better. In some cases. Okay, that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Hope you guys have a great week. I'll talk to you later. Bye.